Today we're gonna do some weird stuff. So this is like the most cookie cutter skate park of all time. It's the classic plastic / metal skate park with all the essentials. We've got the pyramid with the hubba on the side. We've got the really small picnic table covered in bad anime drawings and cuss words. We've got the pointless kinked square flat bar. It's rusty and really wide and square. We've got the round flat bar that's slightly shorter and way better. We've got 3 different size boxes, from largest to small. We've got the plastic mini ramp. It's not wide enough to actually grind, but you can do some stalls and pretend that stalls are cool. Let's bring back actually grinding in the mini ramp. You know, like, remember when people actually did tail slides and lip slides and stuff on transition instead of just doing rock to fakies and tail stalls over and over? And we've got the giant quarter pipe that's disproportionately larger than everything else in the whole skate park. We've got the taller bench that only the big boys can skate. And then we've got the unskateable bench that people try to skate anyway. We've got the fence because everyone knows skateboarders are wild animals and need to be kept away from the general public. And then we've got the trash cans that smell really bad. And they say not to throw things in them, but everyone still throws everything in them and pees in them sometimes. We've got the trash can full of McDonald's bags, Lunchables, and soft drinks. And we've got the generic graffiti that's always about either hell or drugs. So this is kind of something that would be really easy at my local park, but here it was kind of hard because like just the transition from going to from the concrete to this ramp is really harsh. It's like really bumpy. I was thinking about doing that thing where you kind of sit down and slide. I might be able to do it, but the thing about wax is it slides good for the wood on the board, but wax is kind of sticky for your pants. But we'll try it. So with this one, I'm just going to start at the top and kind of ollie on to like a board slide. Oh no, the board actually like locks in there, so it'd have to be like right here. It couldn't be all the way up because it would get stuck. And then just kind of sit down in it, put your front hand down, and slide through it. So we'll see. It might work. Another thing about this is my glove is really grippy, and I kind of have to put it down early. So I have to put it down way up at the top. So I kind of stick, and then I kind of have to just slide slowly. So I want to put out that this video is not super serious, so it's not like kickflip, heel flip. I had some guy named Ricky, I don't know who it was, comment on my last 5 easy tricks videos. This isn't tricks. Why didn't you do kickflip and heel flip? This guy sounded like he had the mental capacity of a bronchiosaurus, but I told him, I've got videos on how to kickflip, how to 180, how to ollie, how to heel flip, but those aren't necessarily the easiest tricks. This is a series about weird tricks you might not have heard of. That's the point of these videos, these 5 easy trick videos. So all 360s are easier when you're going fakie. So when you're going fakie, you can pivot and then slide. So we're gonna do a fakie 360, like a full cab with no ollie. We're gonna do it off the edge of this ramp. So all I'm doing, turning my shoulders, and then as my wheels fall off, I'm sliding a power slide the rest of the way around. It's all about really winding up and really committing with your lower body and your feet. So at my local park, there's not quarter pipes like this where they have edges. At this park, you can do stuff like stall, like a little tail stall on the side of the ramp. All you do is roll over this like really bumpy metal at the bottom, and then you just kind of roll off the side. All your weight's on your tail, And if it's slick like this, you might start to slide backwards, so you might not be able to stay on there very long, because on this I start to slide. So what I have to do is turn my shoulders forward like I'm going forward and just kind of fall off. So you can kind of use that slide to help push you off. Alright, so let's do like a little mute grab hand plant off the end of the ramp. I haven't done that one in a little while. So you're just grabbing with your front hand in the middle of the board, and you're doing it while both your feet are planted and you're still on the ramp. Then as you get to the edge, you'll roll off the edge and kind of catch yourself with your backhand. So it's easier, you're not getting inverted or anything like that. You're just like barely touching the ramp with your backhand, and that kind of makes everything more stable. It's almost easier to roll off the ramp like that. It's more stable because you're bracing yourself with your arm and you're slowly lowering everything down. You guys don't get to see this board yet. This is a special surprise for another video. So I love all your comments. Like, I especially love nice comments that make me feel good, make me smile. But sometimes hate comments make me feel good and make me smile too. Like, I kind of like a variety of different kinds of comments. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my page. This is kind of a series, got a bunch of videos like this. And hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.